So Mary and Joseph had arrived in the town of Bethlehem, and the baby was about to be born. However, they hadn't found anywhere to stay, and time was running out. So Joseph went to look.
I know. I'll try one of those inns. Oh, excuse me. I'm looking for a room for the night. Oh, sorry. We're full. Oh, okay. Well, thanks anyway. Oh, well. Plenty more places to try. Let's see. Excuse me. I'm looking for a room for the night.
Eh?
A room for the night.
A room for your bike?
What? No, bike. Night.
Eh?
Night. Night.
Oh, night to you too.
No, look. I'm looking for a room.
Oh, why didn't you say so? Here we go.
Not a room. Somewhere to stay.
Oh, I see. No, sorry, we're full.
We're full.
I haven't asked you anything yet.
Oh, what do you want?
A room for the night.
Well, we're full, I told you.
This is hopeless. What's going on?
The whole town's full. It's all the people here for the census.
Look, do you have any rooms?
Of course we do,
Oh, wonderful.
but they're all full. Try again next year.
Look, please, I'm having a baby.
Are you?
Well, no, not me.
So you're telling me a pack of lies?
No, it's not me who's having the baby.
But it's you that wants the room?
Yes.
So you take a room and leave a poor baby out there on the streets?
No, that's not what I meant.
What an awful young man.
Go away.
Have you?
No.
Oh. I don't believe it. Every single hotel in the town is full. There's nowhere for Mary's baby to be born.
Any news?
It's not going as well as I hoped it would.
Don't worry, Joseph. God won't let us down. He's right here with us.
Really?
Not him.
That your donkey, sir?
Yes.
We can't park round here. Double yellow lines. Painting them myself. From the census.
We're not stopping long.
Too right you're not. This is a respectable neighbourhood. Can't have riff-raff cluttering the place up, can we?
Come on, Mary. We know when we're not wanted.